Hi, good afternoon, and welcome to the Facebook page, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. Thank you guys so much for watching my live video. And you could also follow me on Facebook. Um, my name is Lyndon Baptiste, and also I invite all of you to join the Facebook credit group, How to Get Excellent Credit. Yes, the name has changed. The old name was How to Get an 800 Credit Score. The new name of the group is now called How to Get Excellent Credit. So I ask that all of you join the Facebook group, especially if you're looking to get an excellent credit score, to be able to get approved for houses or cars, uh, all of that with the lowest payments possible. Um, so it's important I ask that all of you guys do that. And also, I wanted to make a quick live video to let you guys know that I'm going to be live on YouTube at 4 o'clock p.m. today, Central Time. So in about 1 hour and a half, I will be live on YouTube. Okay, again, the time is 4 p.m. Central Time. I'll be live on YouTube at 4 p.m. Central Time today on the my YouTube channel, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. And also, I provided the link for you guys here in this live video. If you scroll down, you should see the link there. And also, what I wanted to talk about today in the live video on YouTube, I want to talk about a new credit builder loan and how you can use it to get excellent credit. Okay, so if you guys watch the live video I'm going to make at 4 p.m. today Central Time on YouTube, you will find out all about this new credit builder loan and how you can use it to get an excellent credit score and get approved for the things that you need in life. I also included a poll, two quick, short multiple choice poll questions to find out more about you guys. So that way I could better help you guys. I know some of you are working with me already now and building your credit. And thank you guys for choosing me to help you to repair your credit and boost up your credit score too also, because to get an excellent credit is a goal that a lot of us are trying to achieve too, and we can get there together. So also I wanted to tell you guys that I'll be live every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Central Time on the YouTube channel, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. So some of you who have already subscribed to the channel, I thank you so much. Thank you for your support. And you will get a notification when I go live at Wednesday at 7 p.m. Central Time on How to Get an 800 Credit Score, our YouTube channel. Those of you who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I'm going to put a link down in this video. I think I'll put a video in this link too. Also, just to make it easier for you guys to subscribe, I'll put it in the link is gonna be in the comment section. Okay, so to make it easier for you guys to go ahead and subscribe. Okay. So there's a comment in there. Just click on the link in the comment section. I pinned it at the top of the comment section too also, so that way it makes it easier. When you guys have the link, you can go straight to the YouTube channel, How to Get an 800 Credit Score, and you guys can subscribe there. Now, when you get to the YouTube channel, there are several links there and the About section of the YouTube channel where you can contact me. You'll find links to follow me on Twitter, to follow me on Facebook, or add me as a friend, to sign up for the YouTube. I'm sorry, not the YouTube. To sign up for and join the fan page, How to Get an 800 Credit Score on Facebook. Also, how to follow me on Pinterest and Twitter and Tumblr, and how to email me too. Also, you can send me a personal email if you need help with fixing your credit too also. So all of those links are in the bottom of the About section of the YouTube channel, how to get an 800 credit score too also. So I just ask that you guys, please, if you're liking my videos, please subscribe, hit the bell notification at the bottom of the video on YouTube. And so that way you will see all of my videos that I have to offer as I make them, and you won't miss out on a thing. And also remember to give me a thumbs up at the bottom of the video on YouTube. It really helps the channel out a lot. And share this video also everywhere. Share it all over Facebook, on your Facebook pages and Facebook groups, on your social, also your other social media, your Twitter, your Pinterest, Snapchat, you know, wherever you have, you know, social media accounts at. Because when you help me share my videos, it definitely help us to reach our goals with the YouTube channel also, and to help more people to fix their credit and achieve an excellent credit score. So today's topic is going to be new credit builder loan. That new credit builder loan is going to help you achieve excellent credit score too also. As you guys know, or if you don't know already, as far as credit scoring is concerned, an excellent credit score is anything over 700.